Exercise 13b, question number A. The first question is x cube. So this is going to be x4 over 4 plus c, and B is going to be x7 over dx. This is x7 plus 1, 8 over 8, and C 3x minus 4 dx. This is going to be 3x minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 over minus 3. It means this is minus x minus 3 because 3 to 3 cancel out. D equal 5x square dx. This is going to be 5x cube over 3 plus c. And question number 2, x4 plus 2x cube dx. So this is going to be x5 over 5 plus 2x cube. Sorry, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4 over 4. So this is plus c. x5 over 5 plus x4 over 2 plus c. Now you can do like write like this as well. I rewrite this sum x4 plus 2x cube dx. This is a good way of doing that. This you can see that this is we integrate separately, so we can use this command x4 integrate dx and then integrate 2x3 dx separately. So the same answer after that, x5 over 5 plus 2x cube over 4 over 4 plus c, x5 over 5 plus x4 over 2 plus c. The best answer way of drawing is, I'll write this one first, x4 plus 2x cube over dx. Then we have to bring into separation like this. Integrating whole part mean integrating piece by piece, which make whole part. And now x4 dx, and now this is a constant. We have to take the constant now. So this is the best one, the best way of writing this. So x5 over 5 plus 2x cube over k, sorry, x4 over 4 plus c. So this is x5 over 5 plus x4 over 2 plus c. It doesn't matter if you can manage with this one. So this is going to be 2x4 over 4 minus x cube over cube plus 5x square over 2 plus c. So this is x4 over 2. This is cancel out 2 and 2. And this is x cube over 3 and 5 over 2 x square plus c. That's all we can do on this. And c, integrate 5x 3 over 2 minus 3x square dx. So this is going to be 5x 3 over 2 plus 1, 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus 3x3 over 3 plus 3. This 5 to 5 cancel out, and then this 2 go up. So this is going to be 2x5 over 2 minus this 3 is cancel out, x3 plus c. Now this one, 4x minus 1 over minus 1 plus 3x half over half. Minus 2 plus 1 minus half, to add 1, 0 and another half plus c. So this is going to be minus 4x1 plus this is going to be 2 times 3, 6x half plus c. This is 6x minus 1 over minus 1 plus x 3 half a plus 1, 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 1. So just add 1. We add 2. So this is going to be minus 6x minus 1 over 2x3 over 2 over 3 plus c minus 6 over x 2 over 3 x3 over 2 plus c. This is going to be tx minus half because minus 3 is a plus 1 minus 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 which is minus 1 over 2 divide by 1 over 2 plus x cube over 2 plus 1 divide by 3 minus half positive half over half plus 6. So this is going to be 2 comma 4 minus x minus half plus you can write if you want 1 over third x cube and 2x half plus c. These two come up. Question number 4a. So this r is a constant. We have to treat as a constant. So x4 over 4, 3x minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 over minus 3 r. This is r mean r x naught. So then when you integrate r x naught plus 1 naught plus 1, it means r x 1 over 1 which is r x plus c. So this is 4 to 4 cancel out x 4, this is minus minus plus 3 to 3 cancel out x minus 3 plus r x plus c. This is going to be x square over 2 x half over half plus x minus half over minus half plus c. So this is going to be x square over 2. This is 2x half. This is minus 2x minus half plus c. Now this is going to be question number c. Px 5 over 5 plus this is 2t. So 2t is a constant. So 2t is a constant times x1 over 1. And you can simply write x and 3x minus 2 minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So px5 over 5 plus 2tx minus 3x minus 1 plus c. Now we have question number 5. Instead of x, now it is t, still the same scenario. So t3 over 3 minus t minus 1 over, you add minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus c. So this is going to be 3 to 3 cancel out t. This is minus times minus plus t minus 1 plus c. So this is going to be 2t cube over cube minus 3t minus half over minus half plus x plus 6. So 2 over 3t cube. This is minus times divide by minus plus. So 2 times 3 is 6. T minus half plus x plus c. This one, so p is a constant, q and r are constant, so only the variable is t. So t4 over 4, q is square t, and pr cube t plus c. This is q square x0 prq x0. I discussed this one. X0 plus 1 no 0 plus 1 pr cube x0 plus 1 no 0 plus 1. So qx square x plus pr cube x. Number 6, 2x cube plus 3 over x square dx. So when you look at like a different sum, you want to think about a simplification, that's all, because when you have this kind of a complex one, you can't apply integration. You only learn if there is a variable alone like this, then you can add 1 and divide by 1. That's all you know. So then you want to think about a sum to bring into that level. So that process is simplification. So we'll do it. Now this is, I can write simply separately 2x cube over x square plus 3 over x square. If I have 3 plus 4 over 5, I can write 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. So then this is going to be x square x. This is 2x. And then this is 3x minus 2. 3x. Okay, now you simplify. Now you can work out. Now this is a normal sum. X square over 2 plus 3x minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So this is cancel out. X square minus 3x minus 1 plus c. This one also you can keep in this form. Bring x1 down because x minus 1 means 1 over x. This one expand. So 4x square plus 3 times 2 6 double 12 x plus 9 dx. So this is 4x cube over 3 plus 12x square over 2 plus 9x plus c. So this is 4 over 3x cube plus 6x square plus 9x plus c. So this is 2x plus 3 x half dx. Then this is 2x will expand. This is going to be 1 3 over 2 1 plus half plus 3x half dx. So this is 2x 3 over 2 plus 1 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus 3x 3 over 2 3 over 2. So this is plus c. This is going to be 4x5 over 2 over 5 plus this is cancel out, 2 come up, 2x 3 over 2 plus c dx. This is x square plus 2 times x over 1 over x plus 1 over x square. I will expand this one. Dx, this is x square plus 2 plus 1 over x square dx. So this is going to be x cube over 3 plus 2x plus this is x minus 2. X minus 2 become so x minus 2 dx. It means x minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. So x cube over 3 plus 2x and 1 over x plus c. So in here, before differentiation, integration, we have to simplify first. Square root x square plus 2 times square root x plus 2 square dx. So this is going to be square root x square is x, because square root x means half a square. X half a times 2 to cancel out x1. Plus 4 square root x plus 4. So this is going to be x square plus 2, 4x3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 4x plus 3. So x square over 2 plus 8 over 3, x3 over 2 plus 4x plus c. 7c, this one. So this is going to be 1 over x half plus 2x half dx. This is going to be x minus half plus 2x half dx. So this is x plus half over 1 2 plus 2x3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c. So the answer is going to be 2x half plus 4x3 over 2 3 to the power 2 plus c. X2 over 3 plus 4x minus 3, this is dx, and 8 part A, this is x2 over 3 plus, this is 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 plus 4x minus 2 over minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus c. So this is 3x 5 over 3 over 5 plus divided by minus minus 4 divided by 2 2 x 2 plus c. You can keep this form as well. 2 x square plus c. Part B, you can see that 2x square, if we have this one, you have to break this one to square root 2 and square root x. Then this is, you can this is 2x half, now you square root 2, now you can integrate. Likewise, if we have constant p, then you have to break this one to px, because we have a rule, if m times n square root, we can write m times square root n. So we follow that one, and this is square root p times square root x plus 2 x cube dx. So this is square root p times x half plus 2x minus 3 dx. So square root 2x3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 2x minus 2 over minus 2 plus 3. Now this is 2 square root p over 3 x3 over 2 plus divide by minus 2 divided by 2. So this is x minus plus. So this is 8b. I think I work out 9b accidentally. Now we'll work out the right sum. So this is again, I can write 2 over x cubed plus x over x cubed plus 3 dx. So this is 2x minus 3 plus this is x minus 2 because x cube cancel out. This is going to be x square, and when it's come to up, x minus 2. So then plus 3 dx. Then this is 2x minus 2 over minus 2 plus x minus 1 over minus 1 plus 3x plus c. So this is going to be uh, equal 2 to 2 cancel out, minus x minus 2 minus x minus 1 plus 3x plus c. So this is going to be minus 1 over x square minus 1 over x plus 3x plus c. See, we have to expand this one. So x square plus x cube, x square minus 1 minus x square plus 3x plus 3 times 1 3 plus times minus minus 3. Let me expand again. X square times x cube, plus times plus plus. X square times 1, x square, plus times minus minus. 3 times x, 3x, plus times plus plus. 3 times 1, 3, plus times minus minus. So this is x 4 over 4, x cube over 3 plus 3x square over 2 minus 3x plus c. I think I didn't finish the sum, so x square minus x cube minus x square plus 3x minus 3 dx. Then the answer is going to be x4 over 4 x cube over 3 plus 3x square over 2 minus 3x plus c. So this is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 over x half dx. So this is 4x square over x half plus 4x over x half and 1 over x half dx. So this is x square over x half become x square over x minus half. When you take half from 2, it's going to be 1.5, which is 3 over 2. So 4 times x3 over 2 plus 4 times x half plus x minus half dx. So the answer is going to be 4 when we integrate x 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus 4x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus x half over half plus c minus half plus 1. So this is 2 times 4 8 over 5 x 5 over 8, 2 times 4 again 8 x 3 over 2 over 3 and 2 times 1 2 x half over 1, which is 2x half plus c. 3 plus x square root x over x plus 6x cubed over x over dx. So this is 3 plus uh, square root x over x mean square root x over x mean 2 square root. So this is cancel out 1 over x square root x or 1 over x half. So this is 1 over x half plus, or you can come like this as well. X square root x mean x half over x. Um, okay, we'll work like this. X half over x mean x half times x minus 1 x minus half. So I'll write x minus half plus this is going to be 6x square dx. So this is going to be equal to 3x plus x half over half plus 6x cube over 3 plus c. So 3x plus 2x half plus this is 2x cube plus c. X half times this is x half plus 3 square dx. X half times this is x square root square is x, then 2 times 3 times x, x half plus 9 plus yes dx. Then this is x3 over 2 plus this is 6x uh, x half plus half 1 plus 9x half and dx. So this is x5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus 6x square over 2 plus 9x 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus c. So this is 2x5 over 2 over 5 and 3x square plus this is 3 to cancel out. 2 times 3 is 6x 3 over 2 plus c. So this is ax minus 2 over minus 3. This is dx. So ax minus 1 over minus 1. This is 3x plus c. So this is minus ax minus 1 3x plus c. I can write minus a over x plus 3x plus c. I'm doing this again. So this is like this. And then I break this one to square root 2x half plus 2x minus 3 dx. So square root bx 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 2x minus 2 over minus plus 3. So 2 square root 2x 2 over 3 plus divide by minus minus 2 to 2 cancel out x minus 2 plus c. This x minus 2 you can write as x square plus c. This is px minus 1 over minus 1 plus qx 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus r plus c. So this is minus px over minus 1. This is 2q over 3x3 over t plus r plus c. So this is minus p over x 2q over 3 x3 over 2 Sometimes somebody may give r plus c is d. I think, sorry, I made a mistake. So this is r. When you integrate r, this is rx. However, this is right. If this is two constant, we can give one constant instead. 2 plus 3 we can give with 5. So, so this is going to be rx, and this is rx plus c, rx plus c. Question number 10. We know that if we differentiate fx, we can get f dash x. Then if we integrate f dash x, then we will get fx. Now in this sum they will give f dash x, and we'll integrate that one, we will get the function. We can get the function. So this is, and here why x greater than 0, because x is asymptotic here in this function. So however you can get fx when you integrate f dash x. So that is integrate 6x minus 2, this is going up, 4x half, and minus 3x plus 2 in terms of x. So this is 6x minus 1 over minus 1 plus 4x 3 over 2. Half a plus 1, 3 over 2. Half a plus 1, 1.5. So this is 3x square over 2 plus 2x plus c. So this is 6x minus 1. This is 2 times 4, 8 x 3 over 2 over 3. This is minus 3x square over 2 plus 2 over x plus c. So this is minus 6 over x, 8 over x, 3 over 2 over 3, 3 over 2x square plus 2x plus c. So this is 8x cubed plus 6x minus 3 x minus half dx. So this is 8x 4 out 4 plus 6x square over 2 minus 3x half over half plus c. So this is 2x plus 4, 3x square minus 6x half plus c. Question number 12, we have to expand this one. 2 square 4 plus 2 times 5 times square root x plus 5 times square root x square mean 5 square square root x square. So 5 square 25 square root x square x. So this is going to be 25x. And so this is equal 4 plus 10 square root x plus 25x. This is equal to 4 plus kx square root x plus 25x. So k is 10. Now I think small mistake. 2 times 5 times 2 double. So this is 20. So the answer has to be 20. So we want to multiply by those two, and then we want to double this one. Now we want to integrate this one, 2 plus square root 5x dx, which is this one, 4 plus square root 20x plus 25x dx. So this is going to be 4x plus 20. I can write this one as half. So 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 55 x square over 2 plus c. So 4x, this is going to be 2 times 20, 40 over 3x, 3 over 2. This is 25 over 2 times x square plus c. Y is given like this, so then we want to find y dx. So integrate y mean 3x5, 4, this is x minus half dx. This is x half when I bring to up x minus half. So 3x 6 over 6 minus 4x half over half plus c. So this is 1 and 2. Half x 6 minus 2 times 4 8x half plus c. So we want to find p and q. So I will integrate this one. P over 2 x minus 2 plus pq dx. Dx integration. This is 2 over x 10 equals c. So now this is p over 2 x minus 1 over minus 1. This is pqx plus d equal, because there is c, so I can't put d. C now, d equal 2 over x plus 10 over x plus c. So when I simplify this one, this is p over 2 1 over x plus pqx plus d equal 2 over x plus 10 over x plus c. Now, so this is, I can write 2 over x, 2 times 1 over x. Now, you can see left and right should be equal. Then, left and right are equal. Then it can only happen, this coefficient of 1 over x should be equal to coefficient of 1 over this left, right. It means p over 2 should be equal to 2. Then pq equal, p equal 4. Then coefficient of x when you look at, so PQ equal 10. To make this one equal to, this should be equal separately because this is x. Then you know p value is 4. 4 times q is 10. Q equal 10 divided by 4, 5 by 2. Actually this is minus value. So this is minus p over 2. Then p equal minus 4. Right, this minus will come. So pq will get, then minus 4 times q equal 10. Q equal minus 2. So this is minus 2.5. I'll show a different argument. It's good for the brain. This is minus p over 2 1 over x. This is 2 over 1 over x. I'll bring this one to left. So minus p over 2 1 over x and minus 2 o times 1 over x. I'll bring this one. And then pqx, then minus 10x. Then d here minus c, this side is 0. Then I'll take 1 over x out. So p over minus 2, 1 over x. This is pq minus 10 over x. And d minus c equals 0. Now, to make this right side equal 0, what is the possibility? 1 over x not should not equal to 0. Hence, minus p over 2 minus should equal to 0. And at the same time, not O, pq minus 10 should be equal to 0. X can't be 0. X can't be 0. And pq minus 10 should be 0. And dc minus equal to 0. Why x can't be 0? If it is 0, what will happen? This is become 0, it will vanish. 1 over 0 is, so because of that, so when you simplify p equal minus 4 and pq equal 10, from here you can simplify. This is question number 15. So fx equal to x minus 10. Part B, they are asking find approximation to fx. So I'll put fx dx, right, fx dx for left side and 2 minus x 10 to the power dx. Then I have to expand with the binomial. So this is 10 0, 10 0 to 10. Actually, I can't write the binomial to this one. So I have to turn to this one. 2 plus minus x 10 dx. Now I can write. So this is minus 10x, minus x 0, then plus 10 1, 2 to the power 9 minus x to the power 1, and 10 2 to the power 2 to 8 minus x to the power 2 plus dot dot dot, because they give instructions uh, in x cube in higher uh, powers are disregard for small x. So we know that any one is, this is 1, so this is 210. Then this is going to be, the next one is 10, and this is become minus 2 to the power n 9x, then 10 to 10 to the power 2, sorry, 10 to 10c2, not 10 to the power, so 10c0, 10c1, so factorial 10, factorial 2, factorial 8. So 10 times 9 divided by 2. So I think it is 45. 45, 2 to the power 8. This is x square minus x square and dot dot. Now I want to integrate this one. So this is going to be, so what is this one? A is 2 to the power 10. B is minus 2 to the power 9. Okay, actually that should be 10. 10 times 10. C is 45 times 2 to the power 8. This is 1024. This is going to be 5120x, and this is 11520 x square dot dot dx. Then this is going to be, when you integrate this one, 1024x 5120 x square over 2, 11520 x cube over 3 plus dot dot plus c. So those are the a values. This is b and this is c. A is the, b is minus 5 1 2. Now, yes, we done basically. This is 1024x minus 2560 x square plus 3843 x cube plus c.